Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Tuner Flix, and we're here at Omega once again, building the Castle Supra, of course, in which we have some new parts from PHR. Now this here, I believe, is the shock tower cover. Is that correct, Josh?
That is correct.
Sweet. Now, obviously, with any engine build, shine is definitely where it's at, and any kind of engine dress-up kit is definitely a great way to go. PHR actually sent us these covers to check out. So if you guys want to check out the link down below in the description. And with that said, you ready to open these things up?
Let's get it.
Let's do it. Now, we went ahead with the polished one to go ahead and complete the look of our car, in which we have both the cap as well as the actual cover itself. And you can see right here, this is actually a really nice concept here. It's a billet design and it's made out of a high quality grade material. You do have PHR's logo engraved there as well. Now, the way it kind of works is it's going to take the cap like this. There's a little rubber like ring going around it. So you just simply push it on there and it'll just kind of squeeze right in. It's a nice tight fit. Now there's a little indentation there. Just go ahead and pop it off and you can go ahead and have access to your shock tower cover. Now, Josh, any thoughts about it in terms of like aftermarket shocks and stuff like that?
Oh yeah, so in the actual PHR description, it says that the shock towers, there is a little bit of a tiny clearance issue depending on which shock struts you have. If you go aftermarket, you know.
So yeah, just exercise caution and make sure you measure it twice before you go ahead and order it. Otherwise, find a way to go ahead and alter the cover itself to make it work. You want to go ahead and try installing this thing?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. We went ahead and installed this side, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Just a little FYI, if you have some different bolts, they might not clear,
right?
Just because it's kind of a tight fit. But you know, go to Ace Hardware, anywhere they have bolts, get a low profile, and you should be set.
Yeah, and I mean overall, it definitely enhances the overall look of the engine bay. You can see our right side over there versus the left. Definitely a lot better. And yeah, I mean this is a great way to go, especially if you're eliminating your strut tower bar. That's a great way to go too. And yeah, there you guys have it. Now, if you guys had any questions about it, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.